Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Etsy login problems, account and security errors step by step clearly. Open your browser and make sure you are using the official Etsy site or the official Etsy app. Check your internet connection by loading another trusted website and switch to mobile data if needed. Verify that caps lock is off and retype your email address and password slowly. If you use a password manager, copy and paste the credentials to avoid typing mistakes. Click Forgot Password and complete the reset process using the email linked to your Etsy account. Open your email inbox and also check spam and promotions folders for the reset message. If the reset email does not arrive, request it again and wait at least 5 minutes before trying another time. Make sure you are signing in with the correct method, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you previously used Google or Apple, choose that button instead of entering an Etsy password. Update your Etsy app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary system issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Etsy, and then restart the browser. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extension or cookie conflicts. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers and try logging in again. If you are on a VPN or proxy, turn it off because Etsy may flag unusual locations. Try logging in from a different browser or a different device to isolate the problem. Check your email for security alerts from Etsy about suspicious activity or account locks. If Etsy requests verification, complete the code entry exactly as shown and do not refresh mid-process. If you use two-factor authentication, confirm you have access to your Authenticator app or SMS number. Correct your device time and time zone because incorrect time can break verification codes. If your account seems compromised, reset your password immediately and choose a strong, unique password. After changing the password, sign out of all devices if Etsy provides the option in security settings. Review your account email address and phone number to ensure they are current and accessible. If you see account disabled or suspended, open Etsy Help and follow the appeal or reinstatement steps. Avoid repeated rapid login attempts because it can trigger temporary security blocks. Wait 30 minutes if you suspect a temporary lock, then try again with correct credentials. Check Etsy's status page or official social channels to see if there is an active outage. If none of these steps work, contact Etsy support with your username, email, device type, and screenshots of the error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.